This next series of videos is going to be on marketing. We're going to talk about external marketing, internal marketing, and sales. We're going to break it up into those different sections, put it out over a series of different videos, and kind of break down each one of these segments so you kind of get an overall view of how the overall marketing thing works, specifically in a dental office. So let's just kind of look at this overall diagram. We're going to be looking at this and breaking it into the three different chunks that kind of go through each one of those three things I just referenced a moment ago. But we're going to start with the very first one. I call it the attract. So with the attract part, again, this is part one of these three parts. We're going to be dealing with trying to get patients to come to the office, or at least to want to come to visit us, or at least get the phone to ring. And in order to do that, we need to know basically who this person is, like who is our target customer or target patient. And the way you do it is to put together a thing called an empathy map. An empathy map just kind of gives you an idea of what it is about this individual when it comes to the products and services that you're offering. What is it that they think or feel about it? What are hearing about it? What are they seeing about it? What do they say or do? What are some of their pains that they're dealing with just dental offices in general? And then also, what are they looking for? What are they looking to gain? So by going through and kind of filling out this empathy map, you'll have a better idea of trying to understand who this person is. So when you're creating your marketing materials to attract them to your office, you'll be much more successful in doing that because you'll be able to kind of speak their language, so to speak. So there's going to be two different kinds of marketing we're talking about. The very first one is going to be what I call search marketing. Is where you have an offer, and an offer here can be any kind of message. It doesn't have to just be like a coupon or some kind of promotion. It can be any kind of message. It could be Instagram post, it could be a Facebook post, it could be something you send out in the mail, it could be a billboard, it could be a TV commercial, it could be all kinds of different things that we'll call that an offer. But specifically, we're talking about search marketing. This is when an individual is looking for something specific. If they're looking to do cosmetic dentistry, they're going to be searching for cosmetic dentistry, and you want to have your message, your offer out there that will attract them to cosmetic dentistry. When you put out these different offers in your business, you may have one for, say, cosmetics, for Invisalign, for sedation, for sleep medicine, for implants. There's all kinds of different offers. Again, messages you could have out there. And if you track this on things like Google Ads or Google AdWords, you'll be able to kind of see what is popular and what isn't. Like in this case is a green one. A lot of people seem to like that message, whatever it was. You may have a couple offers that are just dead, like no one cares, and then maybe you have one offer that there's a unique kind of an outlier group that kind of is interested in that particular service that you offer. So it's just a matter when you're doing your search marketing and put stuff out there that people are searching for that's going to be appealing to them. The second form of marketing, think of it this way, as interruption marketing. This means a person's going about their business and all of a sudden they're hooked by something and is drawn into your offer. Think of this as when you're scrolling through your social media and an ad pops up. You're scrolling to kind of see what's going on with your friends and family, and all of a sudden there's this interruption to your flow by some sort of ad, or it could be a commercial that comes on during a TV show, or driving on the road and seeing a billboard, or hearing a commercial on the radio. That's all interruption marketing. You're trying to do one thing, and this is kind of getting in the way. It's kind of like flagging you down, saying, "Hey, I have something interesting over here. You might be, wanting to look at." That is what interruption marketing is. So you kind of look at these two different things: search marketing and interruption marketing. And I can tell you that when it comes to dentistry, this is where I'm going to spend my amount of money is going to be on search marketing, because I don't know if I want to spend the amount of time and money and effort to try to wave down somebody who's not even interested in dentistry at all. I'd rather do it over here when someone's specifically looking for dentistry. So that's when you do your marketing, again, for the dental business. I think this is where a majority of your marketing dollars should be, to try to attract people into your office. Okay, that wraps up this one. The next video is going to be on the evaluation part of this scheme. We'll see you then.